This is episode 12 in my All About Fall series. Hi friends, this is Pat of Pat's Home Craft, and I'm so happy you stopped by my channel. I've been working on several fall DIYs and I'm excited to share them with you. There are so many beautiful fall colors and so many cute items that are out there in stores. But if you're like me and you're on a budget, you're not able to just dash out and buy everything you love. DIYing or doing it yourself is a great alternative to decorating with the things that you love. And I hope that you love what I've created for you today. Let's get right into it. This is the Fall Modern Colors DIY Challenge, brought to you by the SCHWOWINS Nest and a perfect place to start. In this challenge, we were asked to create a home decor piece using the colors green, gray, and white. I've provided our hostess channel links in the description box, along with the playlist link of all our talented YouTubers' videos. I found this really cute ceramic pumpkin filled with succulents at Big Lots, and I knew that I could recreate this. I knew that I could make it a lot cheaper using Dollar Tree items. Here I have this pumpkin by Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut out this center portion using a simple butter knife. I've cut out the entire section, and I wasn't sure if it was foam all the way through, but as I completely took it off, I saw that it was completely hollow. I was kind of hoping that it was solid all the way through because it would make it a lot easier, but even though it's hollow, I can fix that. Now, taking some Waverly white chalk paint, I'm going to give 3 coats to this pumpkin. I'd like to take this time now to talk to you about our challenge hosts. Sandra from the SCHWOWINS Nest is a very creative person who enjoys inspiring others to create also. She loves all things old and vintage, so you'll see a lot of trash to treasure and thrift store upcycling on her channel. Please check out all of her terrific videos on her channel. Catherine from A Perfect Place to Start loves making videos about home decor, DIY crafts, organization, cooking, and so much more. She has several wonderful videos, so you need to check her out. After I've finished painting my 3 coats and allowing to dry, I'm going to take this glossy Mod Podge and apply it all over my pumpkin. The inspiration was very glossy because it was ceramic, and so I wanted the same effect. These 3 adorable little succulents are from Dollar Tree. I will have to fill my pumpkin with some styrofoam from Dollar Tree. If you haven't done so already and you don't want to miss another one of my videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on that notification bell and select all so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. These little styrofoams would not all fit in there widthwise, so I have to remove all the little succulents from each one, and they're just on a stem. And so now I'm going to push them all in. And to hide all the styrofoam, I will take some reindeer moss from Walmart. I'm going to hot glue some of it in place. I'm just going to tuck it in wherever the styrofoam shows. I want to create a piece of wall art, and I'm using this Dollar Tree calendar and a Dollar Tree photo frame. I am first going to paint 3 coats of ocean chalk paint onto this photo frame. I love this color for fall, and it is becoming very popular, and I've been excited to make some projects using this royal blue color. After it's finished drying, I'm applying some Waverly wax in white, and I'm just applying it with a brush and then immediately wiping it all off. After I painted the entire project and waxed it, I realized that I really needed to incorporate a little more gray into my projects because this challenge is using gray for one of the colors. So I decided to use my mineral paint and paint on 2 coats to the outer rim of the photo frame and keeping the inner rim with my ocean blue color. I'm going to distress the inner portion of it with some mineral paint also. I love this calendar. I love all the sayings, and I loved all the colors. So after I chose the one that I wanted, I used the glass from the frame, and I'm going to just trace out with a marker the area that I want to have in the frame. Now you're going to see that I had a little bit of a mess up, but here I am using my wonderful cutting tool. I love all these wonderful colors. These are colors that are popular right now for fall. If you're interested in seeing some more projects with these colors, I have several fall projects with these colors in my All About Fall series. I will place my All About Fall playlist link in the description box. After I cleaned the glass, I placed it and realized that it was too small. I had mistakenly grabbed the wrong glass because I do have several of these in a box and they were not put together. So I thought, quick fix, I'm going to take this watercolor pad and I'm going to take a page out. I love the watercolor paper because it's very thick and it has a little bit of a design to it. Maybe not a design, but it is textured. And I cut it the exact size of the correct backing and glass, and I'm going to treat it as a mat for my picture, which will actually be even better because it will look even more finished. I was inspired by this Kirkland's Topiary, and I have these ceramic pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and 2 of them are in almost the identical shape of my inspiration piece from Kirkland's. And so I'm just removing these metal stems, and I'm going to mix some of my moss chalk paint with pool chalk paint to come up with this sagey color, which I really like. And I'm going to place 2 coats. And here I am mixing ballet slipper with the pumpkin to come up with a very soft tangerine color. I love this color. It's very soft. Almost looks like a creamsicle. Now I am taking a smaller brush and I'm using the pumpkin and some water, and I'm just going to paint inside all of the grooves to create a watercolor look. And I'm just giving it a little more dimension. And I do the same with the blue-green pumpkin. I'm taking water and the color agave, and I'm just going through and just using a very watery chalk paint. Now I'm coming through with white chalk paint and very lightly placing another layer of paint. And I'm doing the same here. It gives it a little more textural interest. It even gives it a feeling of being a little work of art. And the stem to the taller of the two pumpkins will be painted in my mineral gray paint. I'm taking one of the leaves and I'm going to give it 2 coats of white chalk paint. These pumpkins have a hole in the bottom, and so I will be able to just simply hot glue and place this pumpkin over the top of the other one, and that will create my little topiary effect. And now I'm just placing my metal leaf back in place and winding it around, and I've created this lovely soft colored pumpkin topiary. I'm just curling up these little metal vines. How sweet is this topiary? I love these fall colors. They're so soft, they're muted. With the gray and white, you can see that all these colors come together. There's a salmon and a coral, along with the sage green. Even some moss green is in there, along with the light aqua blue, all coming together and forming a very beautiful fall palette. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up like. And also let me know if you think that I hit the mark on these inspiration pieces. Always remember to look around you for the beauty in your life. It's right there waiting for you. Until the next video, have a great day.